Hello everyone, as you can see this is a Samsung Tab A. It has problem with the adhesive that fixes the screen. Here you can see it comes out easily. Here it has come very sticky and it is not holding the screen in its place. First of all, please confirm that the tablet APC is turned off. See, as you can see, it's turned off. Let me remove this fraction cup. Now take this sticker out, stick it here, lift this lock side, pull the cable. Now first we will remove the adhesive tape on the screen. You can start from one edge. Be careful on this side because here there are two COF ICs, chip-on film integrated circuits. So if you damage these, then there will be line on screen or there will be erratic display, etc. So be careful with that. If you see any sticky substance, then you can clean it, as you see here. Okay, now keep the screen in a safe place. Now take this and we need to clean it, remove this sticky substance. If you do not remove, then again the adhesive will not hold it. After cleaning it, so now we will apply this CP002. This is a black color. If your tab is of different color and the screen is white or the base is white, you can use this clear type 0001. So now apply the adhesive in this way. Near the camera only a thin coat so that the adhesive won't come up on the camera. Now spread this. Okay, now we need to do the same thing to screen, because this adhesive, it has specification that we need to apply the adhesive on both the surfaces with thin coating, and then after 5 to 6 minutes we need to after 5 to 6 minutes we need to press them together and keep them under pressure for several, say 24 hours to 48 hours. Here we need to apply a very thin coat. Take the in body casing now here, and then press the lock. Now switch it on and check. Okay, now tab is good, display is good. Now fix it. And now use clips like this. Let's use these clips. The clips that are used to dry the clothes. So we need to keep it in this way for 24 to 48 hours. Tab is good, the display is good. So let's wait for 24 to 48 hours and then we can remove the clips and start using the tablet PC. After that I'll clean the surface. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in sticking back the screen that has been detached by itself of your Samsung Galaxy Tab A series tablet PC. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.